The subject of this video is the Viva Engage usage policy. So let's go to Viva Engage. Let's click on Edit Network Settings. Let's go to Usage Policy. Click both checkboxes. And then enter your message. I'm sure HR or info security would provide some sort of message and then reference to a link on your intranet for the usage policy, keeping people in line, behaving responsibly. Click Save. Now let's backspace a few times on the browser instead of clicking Home again. There we go. And there's our message. So click Accept. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.